Hello everyone, Coach Doug here. Welcome to Spring and Spring Cleaning. What a wonderful time for refreshing your office space. A clean, organized space that makes things better and improves your productivity. You're going to like it better. The perfect time for a much needed refresh. But first things first, it's always important to get rid of the clutter at your desk space, number one. Unsorted papers and various items, they just pile up on your desk and they're a constant reminder of things left undone. Implement a decluttering system. Once you've cleared out the unnecessary items, establish a system that will keep your space clutter-free. This can include creating storage areas for different types of items. Update your filing system, number two. Whether you have a physical or a digital system, reviewing it and updating it will save you hours of time and headaches. Delete outdated files and folders. Create categories based on your business operations and organize them into logical structures. Consider labels and color coding for efficiency and accessibility. Number three, look into cleaning routine and schedule a deep cleaning for the refrigerator. Throw away those expired items. Sanitize things, the microwave, the coffee maker, cabinets and drawers. Reorganize them and wipe them down. If you have a junk drawer like I do, reorganize and get rid of the stuff that's not needed. Number four, make sure your workspace is safe. Check your smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. Inspect fire extinguishers. Review emergency exit plans with your team. Make sure first aid kits are fully stocked and medications haven't expired. Number five, create a welcoming environment. Bring in details like potted plants or fresh flowers. Add lamps where natural light is insufficient. Remember that your workspace is a reflection of your business. An organized environment communicates attention to detail and commitment to excellence. These are the qualities that translate directly to your brand and your services. If you heard anything you liked today, let's connect at dougsavidge@actioncoach.com. Take care.